Our complete IBC cleaning kit consists of a pump, a cleaning head, a control switch, and an IBC lid mounting lance. And it comes in two models. An advanced model has a powerful rotary jet cleaning head, and the basic model has a spinning spray ball cleaning head. Both are very effective and efficient ways to clean IBC totes, but how much do they cost? The short answer is that the advanced model with the Orbiter Eco rotary jet cleaning head is £6,350 at the time of recording, and the basic model with the RSP spinning spray ball is £3,350 at the time of recording. Now we can also supply this kit without the pump, so if you've got your own pump and you want to use your own pump, you can supply it without the pump and the control switch, which will reduce the cost. So if you're supplying your own pump, the advanced kit with the Orbiter Eco cleaning head costs £3,529, and the basic kit with the RSP cleaning head costs £421. So as you can see, the bulk of the difference in cost is made up from the different cleaning heads. The RSP 25 spinner is a low pressure, low impact cleaning head and costs on its own about £200. The Orbiter Eco is a fast cycle rotary jet cleaner that runs at higher pressure, around about 5 bar in this case, and gives a far more powerful cleaning action, and this head is about £2,976 at the point of filming. The main advantage of the advanced model with the Orbiter Eco cleaning head is that it will clean the tank much faster and with less water, and can handle really tough residues. As a result, it's often the case that the additional capital expenditure is recouped within a matter of weeks. But this very much depends on the frequency of the IBC cleaning and the nature of the residues being cleaned.